Are you looking for the best brushless motor drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best brushless motor drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. TizzyToy Drone. The 4K brushless motor foldable drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter designed for both adults and children aged 8 to 12, making it an ideal Christmas gift. It features a high-resolution 4K UHD camera with FPV, first-person view, for real-time video streaming to your smartphone, capturing clear and vibrant aerial footage. The foldable design ensures portability, while brushless motors provide quieter operation, longer lifespan, and better wind resistance. Equipped with dual 1600 mAh batteries, it offers up to 40 minutes of total flight time. The drone includes intuitive controls such as app management, one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, optical flow positioning for stable flight, and 360 degrees flips for aerial acrobatics. Compact, durable, and fun, this drone combines advanced features with safety and ease of use, making it perfect for beginners and family-friendly entertainment. Number 2. CHUBORY A77 FPV Quadcopter. The CHUBORY A77 drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. Equipped with a 2K HD camera, it offers clear aerial footage suitable for casual photography and videography. The drone features brushless motors, providing quieter operation and improved durability compared to traditional brushed motors. With a total flight time of up to 84 minutes, thanks to its 3 included batteries, users can enjoy extended flying sessions without frequent recharges. Additional features include Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, for real-time video transmission, follow-me mode for hands-free operation, auto-hover for stable flight, and a carrying case for easy transport. These attributes make the CHUBORY A77 an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich drone experience. Number 3. Mirason HD FPV Camera Drone. The Mirason JY06PRO drone is an excellent choice for beginners and kids aged 14 and above, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. Equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera, it allows for real-time video streaming to your smartphone, capturing clear and vibrant aerial footage. The drone features brushless motors, providing quieter operation, longer lifespan, and better wind resistance compared to brushed motors. With two 1500 mAh batteries, it offers a total flight time of up to 36 minutes, ensuring extended flying sessions without frequent recharges. Additional features include 360 degrees flips for aerial acrobatics, headless mode for easier navigation, and gravity control for intuitive control by tilting your smartphone. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it easy to carry and store. The Mirason JY06PRO drone is a reliable and feature-rich option for those seeking a quality drone experience. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight and feature-rich GPS drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. Weighing under 249 g, it offers a compact, foldable design that fits easily into a jacket pocket, eliminating the need for FAA registration in many regions. Equipped with a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera, the Atom SE captures high-resolution video at 30 frames per second and 12 MP stills, ensuring clear and stable footage even in challenging conditions. Its brushless motors provide enhanced durability and resistance to wind, supporting a maximum speed of 16 meters per second. The drone boasts an impressive flight time of up to 62 minutes with two 2500 mAh batteries, each offering approximately 31 minutes of flight time. Advanced GPS-assisted features include auto return, follow me, points of interest, and circle flight, all accessible via the Potensic Pro app. Ideal for travelers and hobbyists seeking a portable yet capable drone, the Potensic Atom SE combines affordability with advanced features, making it a strong contender in the sub-250G drone category. Number 5. Holystone HS360S GPS Drone. The Holy Stone HS360S is a lightweight GPS drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. Weighing just 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it hassle-free for casual users. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera featuring a 1/3 CMOS GalaxyCore sensor and an 85 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures high-resolution photos and videos. The drone offers a 10,000 feet control range and utilizes 5G transmission for stable and clear real-time video streaming. Its brushless motors provide quieter operation and better wind resistance. Advanced GPS-assisted features include Follow Me, Smart Return Home, and Waypoint Flight, ensuring a smooth flying experience. The foldable design enhances portability, making it easy to carry and store. With a modular battery offering approximately 20 minutes of flight time, the HS360S is a solid choice for those seeking an affordable and feature-rich drone.